This video tutorial indicates how to update a baseline scenario and compare it with other scenarios. To be able to compare scenarios, each scenario must contain data for each element of the network. Since we added a new abstraction node to the new abstraction node scenario, we must update the baseline scenario. Choose the baseline scenario in the drop-down button on the left panel. And then right-click and select Edit Data or double-click on the new abstraction node. Allocation penalty should be set to -999 to ensure this node receives water as a priority, even if the demand is 0. Open the data editor for max flow attribute. Add 3 rows for entering 12-month abstraction demand values. Add a column header demand to column B. Add 0 values in each row as we are setting up the baseline scenario where no new abstraction occurs. And click Add Index to automatically generate an index for each month. You can also see the result in the plot view. Save changes. Now we will run the baseline scenario to recalculate results using the new information. Check the correct scenario is selected and submit the model run to the server. Run notification will turn green when successfully completed. The web interface has saved the result from the previous run, so you can now compare the flows in the two scenarios. Select a downstream point to assess impacts of the new abstraction. Open Data Editor for simulated flow output. And click on the Plot tab to view the time series of simulation results. For comparison, select both scenarios from the drop-down menu. You can zoom at specific times to check differences between scenarios.